Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone who are consistently watching my videos. Thank you so much for staying. And I know I'm not that consistent, but I'm trying guys to stay. So here I am with another video, and today we are going to talk about what all things I did in 3 weeks of my design college. So I have actually written stuff in my book so that I hope the video isn't too long and you guys won't be bored. Trust me. So I live in a hostel and I have met amazing people here. माझा आवाज थोड़ा बसला है. Sorry about that. So yeah. Oh shit. College has been fun, honestly. So to all the people, all the design aspirants, and all the students those who are preparing for NID, NIFT, or any other design colleges, take this video as a sign to keep going because trust me, you're gonna love it here or in any design college for that matter. It's gonna be really fun. Well, so we had an introduction or an induction program for 3 days, and in that we learned about the college, the schedule of the college, and everything else. And they gave us like 5 assignments to do for like those 3 days, and so I'll show you guys everything, and then we'll start off. And we had to they gave us specific topics, and basically there was one character design. There was a question about like an intro page for yourself, the name, the meaning of your name, then the 5 personality traits that you have. So these are some of the, I don't know, see, these are some of the sketches and designs that I did. Then there was a 2D design, which we did, and also the 2D design is right here. Yeah, so we had an introduction session, as I said. So we had to draw like 3 things that we saw that day, and this is what I drew. So yeah, actually it was a lot for starters, because they said that they'll collect it like immediately, but that kind of did not happen. But like we stayed like the whole night and did it. So but that was like very fun overall. Very very fun experience. I got to know like 3 new meanings of my name. That was crazy. Okay, moving on to the next two. After like 2 days or so, we had to go on a trip. It was like a study tour kind of thing, where we had to explore the streets of Pune. So basically we had to go to marketplaces and just crowded places and observe those areas, and we had to live sketch. We took photos, we did like a lot of things, we made reels, photography, all of that, and we had to combine all of that, and we had to present it to jury. So that was like my very very first jury. It was amazing. So these are some of the photographs and live sketches that I had done. uh, yeah, so very very fun activity, loved that. And I think they're gonna grade this in our like final mark sheet also. Okay, moving on to the next thing, jury. Very first jury, as I said previously, it was amazing. Okay, we all were so nervous, but I mean, I had a lot of fun, and I wasn't sure that our group will win, because we did so many last minute changes, but we were like, everyone was very happy, cooperative. Everything just went well, amazingly well. And we also had planned a skit for like the jury. So it was like a very casual jury. So they looked at our sketching photographs, and then they gave like positive review on it. It was it was amazing, fun experience. And me and my friend, we both were the one who like talked to the jury. And there was an act between a bhajiwala and a customer. So it was very fun, they loved that. And as you guys might have seen in the reel, we won. I'm so happy. That was like the best thing ever. Like we had zero hopes, from like legit zero hopes. I don't know why, because we saw everyone's work. Okay, people are so talented here, amazing work. Like I saw everyone's panels, and the photography, the sketching, the way they presented it, everything was amazing. Okay, loved it. But yeah, guess we won. Okay, yep, now time for the lectures. So the next week or so, we started our lectures around Monday or something. Yeah. The first lecture that we had, it was of design overview, where we learned the basics. And so over the 3 weeks, we have been doing the basics that we like all the design people are doing. This here, I'm not gonna put the line practice thing here. It's very, anyways. So yeah, so basically we had to make a grayscale and then basic design stuff. I'll put some sketches here for you guys. Very fun though. Had a lot of fun. Okay, moving on to the next thing. What did we do next? So yeah, I think that is it. There is a lot more to come, and I really want to share more topics with you guys. We did perspective, isometric view, and everything. So if you guys want to see those sketches and more videos on that, please let me know and I will make videos on that. So I'll try to make videos on like every week. I'll try to upload videos on every weekend. So let's see how everything goes, because there is a lot to do actually. Like, yeah, but it is just fun. I am very happy and looking forward to more lectures, more fun days. Like every day here, it is like we're doing something unique. So one day, like there was a perspective lecture, and we had to like sketch random things that we live sketching again, but in perspective. So 1 point, 2 point, and 3 point. It was amazing. We had like a time limit of 30 minutes each sketch, and oh my god, I'll show it here somewhere. It was very fun. It was, trust me, it was the best thing ever. And I have decided myself that whenever I get like free time, I will try to like do live sketching. Oh yeah, one more important thing. We have been doing like 15 sketches daily for since our college started. So yeah, these are some of the sketches that I did. Again, live sketching, human figures, everything, and yeah, this is it for today's video, I guess. And I'm really really happy that I made this video finally. So I am really really excited to show the other things that I did as well. So please stay tuned, and yeah, thank you so much for staying consistent on this channel and liking my videos. And yeah, so bye, I guess. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, blah blah, all of that. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Bye.